versus fireplaces and outdoor living. Today we're going to show you how to fire up your Ooni pizza and get it rolling. We're going to cook a pizza on it. They claim that you can cook a pizza in under a minute. We'll see if that actually holds true. I'm kind of curious to see how it turns out. So we'll show you how to get it going here. What's really cool is you want to take the lid off of your smokestack here. Now a couple of their parts double in features. So this smokestack lid has a scoop here. So what we can do is we can scoop up pellets. So and then what we want to do is this lid comes off for our hopper. And again, it has a little clip in there. We'll show you what that clip looks like. And then that clip is going to grab our burn pot. So what we'll do is we'll put our pellets in here. Now, we want to be careful. We don't want to overfill this with pellets because the number one thing that we need in order to ignite our pellets is going to be oxygen. So in order to do that, we need good airflow here. And if we smother our pellets down there, then we're just simply not going to have enough oxygen and it's going to starve out. A couple other things we want to make sure. We want to make sure our smokestack is off, our lid is off, and then our main lid, which goes on the pizza, is nice and sealed there. So that way we can get it ignited and going. So a couple of different ways that we can ignite this is we can put a fire starter in here with our pellets, or what we can do, which is the way we're going to do it, is we can use a torch right on this hole here, which is going to catch our pellets and get it lit on fire. So we'll do that now. So we got our blowtorch going, and we want to be very careful because this metal top piece gets very, very hot. It gets up to 900 degrees. So once we got a fire going, we're going to want to make sure that we do not touch the top of this because it's going to be very hot. So we'll let this go here for about 30 seconds or so. So the way you can tell you got a good fire going is after about 30 seconds or so, take your torch off, and if you see that flame pattern in there, you know you got a fire going. So what you want to do is wait about 5 minutes, and then we'll open the door and put the pizza on. So a quick tip, now that we have our fire going, you can see it shooting through here. One way that we can tell when it's ready is if you look at our flame stack, see how it's burning real dirty? Now we got a bunch of dirty smoke blowing out of here. Once we're at temperature and we're burning nice and clean, you're not going to see all the smoke. So what we'll kind of do is wait about 5 minutes, and then once the smoke kind of clears off, then we know we got a clean, nice clean burn going. But what's really cool is this chimney stack is kind of sucking or pulling a draft in the fire. So the fire comes up over the hood this way, which is what help cooks your pizza, and then exit out this exhaust here. So once we get the clear exhaust, we'll top off our pellets and start cooking. Give our pepperoni a try. We're going to show you a close-up of the flame when we open the lid. We're only going to try 40 seconds. We're going to do it in real time so you can see just how fast this pizza cooks. Okay, it's in there. And then put our lid back on and count to 20. What's funny is you can hear the pizza sizzling in there. You can tell it's already cooking. So we'll do this, flip this around. It's very hot. Flip it around, put it back in there. Put the lid back on. Again, you can hear it sizzling in there. All right, so we're at 40 seconds or so let's pull it off. There we are. So that's 45 seconds we did that flatbread, and it looks absolutely perfect and absolutely delicious. So it definitely holds true, and there you have it. That's how you ignite your Ooni hopper, ignite your Ooni pellet stove. If you're gonna keep doing it, you wanna keep topping it off, make sure those pellets stay at that screw level, and then between pizzas, when you open this, it's gonna cool. So maybe between pizzas, give it 3 or 4 minutes so it heats back up and gets up to temperature. But what they say is true. I'm pretty impressed, ready to try this pizza. It's gonna get a wood flavored pellet smoke from whatever pellet flavors you're using, but it definitely cooks a pizza in under a minute. Pretty cool. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. You can call or text our staff at 805-952-5440, or check out all of our products on our website at www ooni.embersliving.com.
Thanks so much for checking out our channel. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking in the upper right hand corner. Thanks a lot for checking out our video today.